In this video, I'll show you how to add video to Amazon listing in less than 2 minutes. Hi, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com, where I share videos and tutorials about Amazon FBA. I'm a 7-figure seller, and all the info I share here would be for free. I'm not trying to sell you anything on this channel. Now, as we go through this video, if you find value in it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and you also subscribe to the channel. And all links for everything I'm going to mention in this video will be below in the description section for you. Before I show you how to actually add the video to your listings, let me show to those that don't know where it's actually placed an example of a video as part of your images and in your listing. So let's go to one of the items here that for sure with a video. Okay, so as you can see, it's always the last image. Okay, so you would see here a video, and that's basically where it is. So it's a big factor to create more conversions, because you can video obviously would convert better than photo, and photo would convert better than text. So use it wisely, use it to really deliver. I actually uploaded a video recently about Amazon product videos. This video is really explaining how to create a really good converting video that you can use as a video ad or even here. So I assume that you already have a video if you came to this page and exploring this topic, and you just want to know how to do it. So now let me show you how and where you add it. So before, only brand registry brands could apply and add video to their listing, but I think last year, middle of last year, they allowed it to be open to everyone with a seller account, if I'm not wrong, a pro account. So without further ado, let me show you how it works. Where you add it, you'll have to go to, let me go here, to, if I'm not wrong, advertisement, no, I'm sorry, inventory, and add the products, sorry, upload and manage videos. Okay, here you have a list of videos, and these are for my products. But in order to have your own product, you're going to click on upload video. You're going to choose the video from your computer. You're going to give it a title. I like to add here a title that will include some important keywords. It couldn't really hurt you. Then you're going to add your brand or non-brand, but I suggest that you put the ASIN. Okay, you have to add the ASIN that you want to advertise. Then you can have a custom thumbnail, or you can have Amazon decide which thumbnail to put for you. So if you don't have already a thumbnail or something that is really eye-catching, standing out, attracting people to click, just leave it like that. You'll submit it, and usually within 24 hours they approve it, and you will see the video in your listing as the 7th image. Just one side note, if you had a 7th image already, it will replace it. So you will have 6 photos and 1 photo, and only if you click to enlarge. Let me show you an example. So let's go to Amazon, and let's go to this item. So they will replace it, but if you click on it, if you click to enlarge it, it won't disappear. So 245, actually they don't have enough images. Let's go to an item that have like full, they don't have it here. Let's go to this, for example. They don't have video. But anyway, if you have a seventh image and you did upload the video, it will basically remove it. But once you actually click to enlarge the photo, it will still be here, 246. So that's it pretty much. Very short and right to the point. This video is to really show you technically how to edit and a little more details about it. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.